Hi, I'm Meeta Shetty, Fund Manager for Tata India Pharma and Healthcare Fund. Over the last few weeks, I have been getting many questions on what lies ahead. Given that the pharma sector has given an excellent return with Nifty Pharma Index giving around 65% returns over 1 year and nearly doubling from its March 20 lows. On the valuations, the sector is trading at higher than its long-term average now. When we turned positive on the sector early last year, we were seeing improving financials, be it balance sheets, higher cash flow yields, or even improving return ratios. These improvements were expected to be driven by higher cost optimization, reversal in the US revenue degrowth cycle, as well as better product mix and pipeline. While the year has panned out as expected, and we have started seeing improving profitability and growth, the visibility on the product pipeline, lower competitive intensity in the US, and continued focus on cost optimization should lead to further improvement in the financials for the sector. There are also newer themes emerging within the sector, like local manufacturing of APIs, telemedicine, and e-pharmacies, which can be multi-year opportunities. Pure play pharma sector fund like Tata India Pharma and Healthcare Fund, which invest only in sectoral companies, is an ideal way to invest or have exposure to the sector. As a philosophy, we follow growth at reasonable price. The bottom-up approach and select exposure to turnaround companies and certain API and the healthcare companies has helped us generate higher returns. As these sectoral funds are cyclical in nature, investors should have a minimum investment horizon of 2 to 3 years and an appropriate risk appetite. Given the sector has good visibility on improving financials, we advise investors to invest in this thematic fund to capture the sectoral turnaround. Happy investing. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.